Now the Capitals get it back. He brings it past the blue line. He scores! They're out on top with a goal here in the beginning of the first period to set the tone early.
Here we go on the replay. A nice job to get the shot off. He was right close to the goaltender. Shooter's land.
I guess in this case he really manufactured the opportunity and made it work.
And he manufactured a nice goal.
It's time to get this game going again. Here's the drop of the puck. And it's controlled center ice. There it is, Florida on the move. And that's a great goal. Right out of the gates, and the home team up on top 1-0. What a way to start the game.
He got up real close and let a wicked backhander go for the goal.
He really took advantage of his position and a well-aimed shot.
All goalies will tell you, backhanders are hard to handle.
They're ready now for the puck drop. Up through the zone to Cole, and here's a chance for the Hurricane. He scores! They're out on top with a goal here in the beginning of the first period to set the tone early.
Watch this replay, Bob. There's a lot of offense bearing down on the net.
The goalie was up in the crouch, but didn't quite cover enough down low.
And the low shot squeaks right past him.
The skater's ready now for the official to drop the puck. He passes it to the right wing. Here they come, 3-on-2. That's a goal, and they get a 2-goal lead here early in the first. This game is starting out to be a fast-paced one.
Bobby was right there in front of the goal, and you've only got a second when you're there to get that shot away.
And only a second he needed, Harry. Great positioning to pick out a spot, although with one-timers, there isn't a lot of picking out to do.
Nope, you really just have to. If you look at the numbers, you might think this guy hasn't been as good as the guy at the other end. But it
scores! He gets the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Here's the replay on the attack situation on that goal, Bob.
The goalie gets into a crouch position, knowing he's got an outnumbered attack.
And it just isn't enough to keep this one from going in.
They're ready in that big circle.